Well, it's a sunny day here in Denmark and I'm cleaning windows trad style today in this old house. Little fun I've been having with my belt setup, which is quite simple really. I don't really have a lot of stuff on my belt, but I've been experimenting with magnet mounting my bucket on a belt. These magnets are very strong, but when you want to, you can just pull it off like that, which is quite useful for when you're climbing over balconies. I don't know about you, but whenever I do that with a bucket on a belt, you end up invariably with a wet leg syndrome. Yeah, so it's pretty strong enough. You know, I'm a fan of my little scrubber in here. Sorry about the jerky video, I'm not very good. And I've even been hooking this onto there sometimes, which I suppose is a bucket on a belt. It's going to fall off one day and, you know, probably make a big mess, but it seems to be working very nicely right now.